Out. Boom. Fires right up like Toyotas do. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M7TY353. This is a very clean 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Let's get to the good stuff and listen to it run. 4-liter 1GR FE ABCD EFG underneath the hood.
Yeah, I do not do that charger on there.
Just give it a second, it'll go.
Come on, baby, you got it.
121,957 miles. Just trying to let it charge up for a second. Come on. Almost. Crap. All right, Andy's gonna put a box on for us. We were trying. I'll leave it running as soon as I get it going so it'll charge up for a second. Anyways, a very, very clean car all the way around, as we're about to find out. Boom. Fires right up like Toyotas do. Nice clean doors on this thing. A nice yellow interior. We are going to be selling the door panels as a set of 4. I just closed this one like a nincompoop. Nice cloth seat set with just a little rip right here, but good bags in her all the way around. Nice OEM roof rack. Truck's in pretty good shape. Nest. She was a sea turtle volunteer. OEM cargo mat back here. Everything you guys see will be listed for sale. It does have the very rare subwoofer, 07 to 10 only. Here's this side, more clean FJ parts. Very nice doors. Oh, except for that one. Still nice. It was nice to me.
Went from nice to
Noise. Like I said, 121,000 mile, 1GR UFE ZVDBQ. I'm a Toyota guy and I don't even remember what the code is on this one. Nice and smooth though. I don't hear any manifold leaks or really anything. This is a very good running motor. Complete front end for sale on this. We'll get it all pieced out, but nice front bumper. Hood molding. Nice cowl vent panel. Door mirrors all work. Let's step inside and test out some parts really fast here. Has a brake pedal. Do we try it? Let's try it. Oh, it's a Toyota. It still runs and moves. Toyotas don't care. Windows are all working. There we go there.
Sponsored by.
There we go. That works. Climate control's working. Let's test out the diff lock. Why won't you lock? Oh, it wants me to move. I don't know why it's not too happy with me. Oh, well, we put her in 4x. There we go. Who knows? The diff lock might be a little bit upset with being hit. So far though, everything has worked in here. Nice inclinometer, I'm sure I said that wrong, will be for sale. Nice dashboard. I love these things. Like, who else puts a cubby right there? These trucks are amazing. Manual seat. Oh man, I could totally do FJ things in one of these. Kind of need this in my life. All right, that's a good test of that one. Yay, another test video where I fell in love with a car I can't afford. Alright guys, that is going to wrap it up for M7TY353, our 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. You guys know the deal. If you're looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, we'll leave a link in the description to our website, www.jandjautoWrecking.com, or you guys can always give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.